Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm comparing Revive essential oils versus Plant Therapy essential oils. I thought it would be easiest to share just their websites to compare so that you guys can see. I'm going to go over, are they transparent? Do they seek to educate? Are they third-party tested? Safety info on each of their websites, all of their testing, so GCMS reports, if they test further bonus products like home products, supplements, and just everything else besides essential oils. So we're going to compare both of them. I'll start with Revive. This is Revive's website. When you first go to revive-eo.com, they have info on their sourcing, why they're so affordable, their quality. They're very simple. They're from their branding to everything that they offer. They have reviews and then a compare tab. So they compare themselves to Young Living, doTERRA, and then Now, which is the brand that's in health food stores. So then we go here, they have a shop tab, compare to MLMs, reviews, blog, contact, and login. So to go and answer our questions, are they transparent? They have a ton of info here on their blog, from product information to essential oil education to recipes. So they are seeking to educate, and then transparency info would be under this. So what third-party tests does Revive conduct? So here is where they're very transparent about the testing that they do and how they do it. There's 20 different tests, and they work with Dr. Papas, which is a renowned person in essential oil transparency, quality, education as well. But his company, where is it? Right here. Essential Oil University is what performs their GCMS testing. But then here is their 20 tests that they perform on every lot of essential oils. So this is going above and beyond, and this is why we love them. So next is safety info specific to each oil. We'll go shop to a specific or a single essential oil, sorry. Let's go to frankincense. So we're looking for safety info. We're looking at pricing here. Is it in the ballpark? The Latin botanical name is on the bottle. They go and label theirs like this as a supplement also. Not all essential oils can be labeled like this, but frankincense is safe for ingestion, so that is why. I don't recommend ingesting. That's just facts. Directions for use, safety. So it does have safety info. And then here's the the GCMS report. So here's the list of all of them. This is the latest one. So we can click on that and it'll take us to the Essential Oil University GCMS test, which is what we're looking for as far as transparency goes. So we'll go back to this. This is just the frankincense page again. And what else were we looking for? Up to date, third-party test, transparent. They check all the boxes when it comes to why we use essential oil companies. Now let's compare some of their other products. So they have, when you go to their shop tab, they have fall, holiday, essential oils, blends, CBD, diffusers, carriers, home products, and rollers. So they have a bunch of different seasonal essential oils. I love this tab because it's very simple to use and they have so many different things. I love these hand soaps. They have a lot of home products too. And their seasonal blends are really, really great. I have the fall ones right now, but I will be sharing their holiday blends coming soon. Essential oils, they have tons of single essential oils. They're not limited really. And I don't know if there is essential oil they don't have that I've ever been looking for. So their singles are great, or the variety is great. Then these are all of their blends. So they have tons of different blends as well. They have also a tab up here that is compared to MLM. So if you are using Raven from Young Living, they have that and it is Breeze. And then right here it will say our version of Raven. So I like that. Some people don't. I just like the convenience of it because if you are switching over from Young Living or doTERRA, it's just easy to do. Back to the shop tab, they have some CBD as well, CBD products. This one is topical. This one is an internal, and then they have for pets, a mint, different strengths, and then this is a blend, I think a topical blend. CBD is great for muscle and inflammatory issues. Then they have diffusers, which is great. And then we'll compare plant therapies to all this too. They have a good variety of just different kind of containers and passive and regular ultrasonic diffusers, and I feel like their prices are pretty good too. Like this one's $63, but this is a big one. What's this one? Honey plug-in ultrasonic. So this one is a really cool one. These are like very concentrated diffusers. $57.50 for this one, which I feel like is like on Amazon. That's the main or the average price. They have a little kids one, $29. A couple of car diffusers. And I have both of those and they're both great. Carrier oils, they have a big selection. They have everything you need. And they also have hydrosols under this tab. So they have they have a new body oil. Sorry, distracted. Sugar Cookies body oil. I have to get that. So they have like 3 to 5. How many hydrosols? 1, 2, maybe only 2. Rose, lavender, a kaolin clay. Good for making DIYs of body oil. So they have what you need, but not in abundance in variety of carriers and hydrosols. Then these are their home products. So they have laundry stuff, cleaning supplies, hand soaps, and then cleaning pods for your dishwasher and washing machine. What else? Oh, I think actually disposal, not, what did I say? Yeah, a little soft scrub, fabric softeners. Then they have some supplements under this tab as well. Nothing crazy. They have some gummies, melatonin gummies, vitamin D gummies. And right here is a combo of their elderberry, apple cider vinegar, and vitamin D. So they have a few different things. And then finally, roll-ons, which they have some sets, which is a good value always when buying things in a set, or singles. And these are going to be diluted. You can reach out to them if you're curious on dilution rates, but these are mixed, I think, just in coconut oil for the most part. And they have some dupes in here, as well as some of their own, just different blends and roll-ons. So let's now go to Plant Therapy and compare to the same things. So this is Plant Therapy's website. We'll take a quick peek at, and I can just spoiler alert, they have amazing quality as well. So let's just look. They have a Learn tab. So this is their transparency and their education. So they have a blog, Essential Oils 101, Why Plant Therapy. They have a subscription box, which Revive does as well. Forgot to mention that. Resource library, giving back. They go above and beyond also with their education and transparency. But let's just go to some diving a little bit deeper. Here's about their testing, education and safety, a resource library. So I actually don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh, this is really, really cool, you guys. So they have all of this, a resource library. This is going above and beyond. So we have a kid safe synergies chart, top 10 oils for discomfort, a comprehensive dilution chart. Like this, guys, this is the best little education hub that I have seen in an essential oil company. So if we were comparing Revive to Plant Therapy in this specific category, they win. This is great. Dilution chart again, pup and pony safe, comparison guide. Let's just go to one of them. How to substitute essential oils flow chart. So this is cool. What is the purpose of the blend? Do you have the same oil? I don't even know exactly how this works, but okay, so that wasn't a great one. I'm going to go to this comprehensive. So here is a comprehensive dilution guide. This type of dilution guide is what is in my guides as well. Dilution is really important. And I love having the guides with like bigger quantities and like different reasons for using. Actually, mine goes into bigger or more details, but this is all from Tisserand. That's where mine is also. That's like leader in essential oil safety. That's great. So, whoops, we lost our tab. One sec. So safety resources, we're going to go to an essential oil single page just so I can show you quickly their quality. We look at pricing. It's in the ballpark. This is a 10 ml bottle for $8. It's actually pretty low, and Revive is as well. But anywhere from like, I would say 10 to 12 would be in a good range, or I'm sorry, 8 to 12. So they have how to use the oil, safety info there. I'm looking for it on here though. So product info, ingredients. So it's just Lavandula angustifolia, which is the plant Latin name right here. How to use, so right here, kid safe, nursing safe, pregnancy safe, pup and pony safe, how to use it, topical, dilute 2 to 5%. So all of this info is great. Again, they go above and beyond with this. So reports, they have 2 different lots here. I'm just going to click on the first one. And this is the certificate of analysis. They use a different company. This is out of Canada, I believe. I think Simply Earth has used this company as well. And this is an in-depth little chart, make sure I'm sharing, of all of the different constituents that are in the essential oil. You can compare and contrast also to your brand's GCMS report too, if you want to dive deeper. But this is what we're looking for. And this is September 2022. So let's go back here. This is the newer one. Let me make sure I'm on the right page. This one is 2024. So same thing. It's going to go over the analysis and the info here, and that's what we're looking for. So if your brand does not share their GCMS report readily available like this, I say don't use them. There's too many good brands that do that, and that layer of transparency is a requirement for me personally. So that's where I'm at. Disclaimers. I taken internally. So this is a big difference. So since we're comparing, obviously, Plant Therapy versus Revive, very pro ingestion, and they have guides on how to ingest, and their essential oils are labeled for just ingestion, labeled as dietary supplements. I think it's a do your own research and make your own decision type of thing. And I feel like brands are split 50-50 on whether you should ingest or not. I don't recommend it just because it's not the most effective way to use essential oils, in my personal opinion, and just doesn't come up that much. And I feel like the risks outweigh the benefits, in my opinion, for most cases. So anyways, did we go over all? So tests, safety info, third-party testing. They both third-party test also. That was a point. When brands are doing their own in-house testing, it's just not the layer of transparency that I want to see. So they both educate, they both have quality and testing and all of that. So now we get to go into, this is where Plant Therapy kind of sets itself apart in their extras. So as far as quality and variety of essential oils, and as simply as that goes, I think they're pretty much an even tie for me, and I use them equally. Now, when it comes to extra products, I think Plant Therapy beats Revive by a long shot, and their website is beautiful as well. And I know that's not super important, but it's just true. They have a really beautiful, easy to use website, and they also have this quiz. They go above and beyond from here on out. So body care, we can go to all. They have a ton of different products. Revive has where this Plant Therapy, they have a ton of different. So their variety is just a lot bigger. PMS, I'm sure that has clary sage in it. Sweet orange, all kinds of body butters and oils. Tattoo healing balm, which I actually have to add that to my cart, so I have it next time I get another tattoo. They have some oils here. Body butter, body cream, bulk, even if you're looking for big things of carrier oils, hemp seed, another carrier, and then lotion with pumps, all this. They have so many, their variety is crazy. There's tabs and tabs. So we're going to keep going. But right here, you can see body wash, body oil, body care, carriers, hydrosols. We'll just go to their carrier oils and hydrosols quickly. So they have tons of carrier oils, which is great because there are different benefits. One, there's different benefits to carrier oils, and two, different carrier oils for different skin types and concerns. So I love the variety. And then hydrosols, they also have a ton of hydrosols, where I think Revive had 2 or 3. So here are all of theirs: hydrosols, peppermint, calendula, lavender, tea tree, rose, rosemary, tons of different ones. And then I was just over their supplements. So let's go here quick. I don't want this video to be a million minutes long, but look at their supplements. They have so many. I didn't even know they had all of these. Some of them are new, but capsules, herbs. I'm very into herbs right now, and I didn't know that they had all of these. Mushrooms. But I buy this. I think this is a newer addition because I have not seen these. Tinctures, herbal supplements, and forms. I'm going to get this very soon. Total tincture package. So you get all of their tinctures, and then this cute little coffee mug. But look at all of the different ones. Elderberry, you can scroll down here. Echinacea, ashwagandha, which is nature's antidepressant. Lemon balm, so many benefits. Elderberry, echinacea. Okay, so many different. Make sure we're still sharing. So I'm just kind of blown away by this, and I can't wait to get my hands on some tinctures and herbs. And lastly, so for household products, they're similar. They do have some candles, which I have both of these. And guys, if you are a candle person and want something non-toxic, this is amazing. Warm pumpkin spice. I've been burning this every day, and it's lasted a really long time. I also have this whiskey oak linen spray. Amazing. The fragrance diffuser blends. So this is where Ruby does have sort of a think about type of thing, is they do use fragrance in some of their products, and they say it's natural, and I believe them, but they do have that. And I know some people are like, no fragrance, I only use essential oils or whatever. The ingredient list on this. So ingredients is natural fragrance, number one. So some of their products have this. It's just something to look for if you are not into that. FYI, but tons of different products. Refresher, this little laundry, I have that little set, multi-purpose cleaning concentrates, different products like Revive has as well. And then also another area that plant therapy Revive is in their skincare. Look at all of these oils, facial roll-ons. Now Revive does have a skincare set that is amazing. Let's see if we can go back quickly. Oh, it's right here. So this is their skincare set, and it's amazing. Like, you don't need anything else besides this. It's like everything I want in a skincare set. But plant therapy does have a bigger variety, and so have a bunch of different serums. So rose, patchouli serum, vitamin C, tea tree niacin serum, so many different ones. So they have a huge variety of skincare. I always say that there's not one brand that fits all. I feel like there are so many great brands that have so many benefits, pros and cons to everything. These are probably my two favorite essential oil companies. So it was fun to do this comparison. I hope it was helpful. Let me know what you think, and let me know what video you want me to do next. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.